Alright, boys and girls, this is Casual Daddy here, doing a little cooking on the Brio X19 series. You can see, took a little while to get this fire going. I had some wet stuff in there, but cardboard and some pallet wood is doing its job. You can hear that, see that guy sizzling and cooking. Not too bad. It's going to take a little while to get these cooked though. We got to keep that heat going because, well, there's some pretty thick pub burgers here with our Montreal steak seasoning. I'm not going to pretend to be a seasoning chef or know what I'm doing, but I at least can cook meat like any red-blooded American male should know how to do. Alright, I'm going to keep feeding that fire, keep it going hot. Let's go get some more wood. We're going to flip our burgers. So we have done our first flip. Here's the deal though. I think these hamburgers are better put on when you have a pretty good fire going. Like, I don't have a really good fire going right now and it's not that hot. It's pretty hot outside, but I think it would serve a better purpose if we had a hotter fire. So we're going to keep adding some more wood, try to get a nice fire going, cook these guys a little quicker. But again, you can see that the Brio does its job. I mean, I don't have an infrared thermometer yet, which I plan on getting to see how the temperatures are on top of the Searplate. But you can see that it is cooking. Hot in the corners, not so hot. Like right here, it's not very hot, but it's just weird because it's exactly where the fire is. This might take 20 minutes or so, I'm thinking. I usually cook my burgers in the oven or my smoker for about 12 to 15 minutes on each side, depending on how thick they are. So this is probably going to take quite a while to be done, but we'll keep stoking those fires, boys. I got a little flame kissing going on these burgers. I'm going to flip them again. Keep flipping every few minutes. Try to cook it as even as possible. A little bit of a different angle for you. You can kind of see them where they're cooking. They're coming out nice. It's been about maybe 10 minutes so far. So, alright, did a little housekeeping. We're getting a little too charred on that side, so move the burgers over a bit. See, the one on the right's not cooking as even as the others. However, the fire is there, so should not have any issues. It's looking good, coming out nice. Our first temperature check. Okay, you can see it's 90 degrees outside, not fun, but let's pull up a chair. Let's see what we got in our burgers so far. Still not done. You can tell just by the texture on them, but we're getting there slowly. That one's definitely more well done, but again, don't forget the fire pits here, so you got to kind of not just go by temp, but by texture, and these are still way too soft, but pushing 130, which isn't bad. Yep, so this one's definitely the least done. We're going to move that one a little bit if we can, get it a little closer. Get some more wood. Finish it. So we have a man down. The one challenge of cooking on this thing is it is very hard to flip the food without getting burned. So I think the X24 would have probably given you a little bit more room and a little bit more breathing area to do that, but you can see we got a man down in there. Kind of stinks, but it happens. Trial and error, we got to learn. However, the rest of these guys are doing just well. Just about done. Feel the heat melting my hand and my phone. So we're going to do another temperature check. See if these guys are ready. Again, there's your 95. Still very soft in the middle. I'm getting up there though. Almost ready. Let's see. Alright, that one's just about done. And that one's medium, almost getting there. Yeah, according to the temp it's done, but again I can feel it and know that it isn't. So I'm just going to flip them a couple more times and These suckers are done. Alright, so we moved from one side to this side just to get that one that was a little underdone a little bit more well cooked. Check our temps. And probably there. Nope. It's getting a little colder. That guy's just about done. Funny, 149 closer to the fire, so keep that in mind. Not done yet. Oh, probably need about 5 minutes. Just did a temperature check and our burgers are done. So takes a little while, took about 20 minutes or so I think cooking them on here, but and we lost one in the process. So it isn't the easiest thing in the world, but it is nice and convenient when you want to have a fire and don't feel like firing up the grill. Let's give them a taste, see how they are. Our burgers are off the grill. Let's get a reading, a more accurate reading on them. We got a medium. Good there too. And good there too. So that one's our well done burger. Alright, so you can see the aftermath's pretty messy. I'm going to try to get this off as much as we can. Just like you would any grill or whatnot when you're done. And of course, once it gets nice and cool, I'll come back with a nice wet rag and kind of clean it up a bit. But any old grill brush can probably do what I'm doing. I shouldn't really be ruining my spatula, but it's fine. I'm lazy. I'm casual daddy. That's what I do. But yeah, see, not bad. So clean side, grilled side. Clean side, grilled side. Alright. Good part about the kit is the fire will go on its own. We're also expecting a nice thunderstorm, so it should make for good cleanup on this thing. A little bit of grease there. Alright, and we're going to go kind of like that. And good chunk it out of there. That's a pretty good amount of grease. Alright. Right in there. I think we did a pretty good job of cleaning that up. Again, we'll get the rest with a wet rag once the fire dies down. Otherwise, let's go take a look over here. We've got our hamburger, and we are going to take a bite and see exactly how good it is. So that's pretty medium. It's tender. It's not burnt. Got good flavor. I'd say we got a win. On that note, Casual Daddy's going to finish this burger. So we'll catch you guys next time. It's Casual Daddy signing out.